in this notebook, things that come to me, but I never seem to read it, so afraid what I'll see. Whole lot of mental